may clue ako sa fine motor skills. Turo ni Sir Choki. Pag sabi mong fine, ibig sabihin 9. 0, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, tapos 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6. Simulan natin sa ano ha, sa 0, 3, 5, 7, 9. 0, 3, 5, 7, 9. Simulan natin doon, okay? Okay? Eto lang, ganito lang yan. I want nobody like you. 0. I want nobody like you. 3. Hand open. Then number 5, palmar open. Palmar gasping. Tararap pararap sa 5. Tararap pararap. 7, transfer object. Nobody. Tapos 9, pincer grasp. Pincer grasp. 10. Object, ano yung tuturo niya? Object point. Para 10. Put in the container. Number 11. Pack. 12. Container. Shoot plus 2 blocks. 2 blocks. Ano? Parang basketball. 12. Tapos, unbutton. 3 years old. 4 years old. Buttons up. 6. 3, 4, 6. 6 ay shoelace.